What's up everyone, welcome to the RA Visuals YouTube channel, where you'll always find high quality visuals and high quality tech. And today I have hand picked 5 of my favorite accessories for your desk setup that can take it to the next level without breaking the bank, because they're all under 50 bucks. But before I dive in and save you all some money on your setup, let me save you even more money with today's sponsor. Stop overpaying for Windows 10 and 11 activation keys. With VIP-URCDKEY, you can install and activate Windows for only 16 bucks.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It's fast, easy, and 100% legit. To get started, head over to VIP-URCDKEY.com and search for the software that you're looking for and add it to your cart. If you're installing Windows, be sure that the key you purchase is the same as what is installed on your system. Once your product is in the cart, you can now enter my new promo code for 2023, RAV25, which will now save you 25% on your purchase. From here, you just need to follow the prompts and purchase your key with your preferred payment method. I personally always choose PayPal. Once your payment is done, navigate to your user center and click on My Purchased Orders. This is where you'll find your activation code once your payment is processed. From here, it's as easy as copying your key from the user center and pasting it into the Windows activation page on your desktop. You'll now have a fully activated version of Windows 10 that is also upgradable to a Windows 11 if you want. So check out the links below and save yourself some money. Now, let's get back to the video. Okay, let's start this must-have under 50 bucks list with something that I actually purchased for my own setup fairly recently and have quickly realized that I was missing out for a long time. I'm talking about a monitor light bar. So there are a bunch of them out there, but I was able to find you guys one on Amazon for only $32. It has all the basic functionality that a light bar needs and has a ton of really great reviews to go along with it. Now, the one that I'll be showing you in my setup right here is not $32, but it is a curved light bar that comes with a little dial that allows you to adjust the brightness of the light and turn it on or off as well. It even has some RGB lighting on the top to make it a little bit cooler looking. Now, the only issue here is that apparently the company that makes it stopped listing it on Amazon. Well, sort of, because I did basically find the same one, but it's crazy overpriced and I wouldn't recommend it to you guys unless it goes back down to the $100 price that I paid for it. Now, don't fret though, because the $32 light bar that I showed you in the beginning there also has an upgraded version of it that does come with a cool little adjustment dial as well. But if you just want to be able to shine some light on your desk and have that cool, little glow on there, the $32 version of this thing that I showed you in the beginning is really hard to beat. All right, next up on my list is a crazy good set of in-ear monitors that I've been waiting to put in another video and suggest to you guys again. So I'm talking about the Linsol KZ ZS10 Pros. Now, if you're new to in-ears or have never tried them, let me tell you, for only 40 bucks, you're gonna get some headphones that sound better than any gaming headset that I could have suggested to you guys at this price point, or honestly, even higher. This is because the ZS10 Pros include 2 high-frequency drivers, 2 mid-frequency drivers, and 1 10mm double magnetic dynamic driver in each ear. Say that 10 times fast. Now, what does that mean to you guys out there who aren't sound nerds? Well, it means that you're getting a truly impressive soundstage for music, watching videos, editing videos, gaming especially, or even playing music. Yes, if you're a musician, you're probably gonna love these because of the really balanced sound that you're gonna get out of them because of those drivers it has. Now, they're not super heavy on the bass side of things, but because they're all the way in your ear and they block everything else out, they're basically noise canceling. You pretty much get all of the bass noise that you possibly could because it blocks out everything else. Another reason I really love these is because of how comfortable they are to wear. So I used to always get these hot spots on the top of my head from over-the-ear headsets, and because these just go over my ears, I never get that pain on the top of my head or that embarrassing gamer dent on the top of your head that you would normally get with an over-the-ear headset. But anyway, if you're looking for a new headset at this price point, I really highly encourage you to give these guys a shot because they're pretty awesome. Okay, next up on my list is not really a piece of tech, but it's the ever iconic Ikea fake wheatgrass plant right here. So now, come on. I know you've seen this in basically every desk setup out there. So, and 9 times out of 10, if they have fake plants in their setup, they got one of these. And I see why. Because for only $12.99, I mean, come on, let's go. Fake plants can really give your setup that like outdoor, decor look that you guys are going for and make it really seem a little more homey, or give you that effect that maybe you're outside a little bit and not just sitting in front of your desk in front of a computer all day. I personally have fake plants strewn all over my setup to add this same effect, and I really do enjoy the ones that hang down and kind of give your setup that overgrown type of look. Now, a little bonus I'm going to give you guys here is my little baby Groot planter that I found on Amazon a couple years ago for only $11. So not only did I think it was super cool, but I also found out that you can actually put real plants in it, or of course put some fake plants in it and make another little showpiece for your setup. Another added bonus of this little guy is that you can actually use him to hold things for you as well. I actually have him hold my USB-C cable that I use for my PS5 controller and can just stow it away whenever the controller isn't in use. Thanks, little buddy. Next up on the list is something that, in my opinion, every desk setup needs, and that is a solid RGB strip. My RGB strip of choice for pretty much any setup are the Govi RGB RGB strips because of their amazing color reproduction and the basically unlimited customization options that they offer. My desk has one of their older versions of their strips that have the LEDs like exposed a little bit, but the new versions that I'm going to show you here actually have the LEDs covered now to better protect them. That was a good move by them. Another awesome feature is their app that you use to control every aspect of the lights. They actually have a bunch of really cool preloaded scenes that are very, very easy to switch around whenever you're in a different mood or want a different look. And coming in at only $28 for a 32.8 foot strip, these are a no-brainer if you want to add some serious color and style to your setup. Coming in last but certainly not least on my list is something that I feel every smartphone user needs these days, and it is a solid wireless charging station for your device. I got one for my setup that has the basic necessities for an Apple user, including wireless fast charging for your phone, charging for your Apple Watch, and charging for your AirPods. This little charger also has some lighting on it to indicate when it's charging and when it's in standby mode, which you can also toggle on and off by a little button as well. Now, the particular one I own that I'm showing you on my desk doesn't seem to be available anymore at the time of filming this, but I was actually able to find you guys what is probably an even better option, coming in at only $25 with the $5 off coupon on Amazon. This charging station from Yoxinta has everything that my stand has in terms of charging, but also has the ability to fold down and be flat if you prefer to charge everything that way instead of upright. Unfortunately, it does not have the RGB on it like mine does, but it does actually have a blue LED that does indicate when your phone is charging or not. And yes, it is compatible with Samsung wireless charging phones as well, so you Android users out there are not left out. Okay guys, so that was 5 of my must-have items for your desk setup under $50. And don't forget, everything will be listed down in the description below, so if you saw something you liked today, you can go down there and grab it. But what do you think of this list? Was there anything that you think that I should have put in the video today? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what the item is, and maybe I'll actually include it in a future video. Also, if you like this type of video, be sure to let me know by leaving the video a like and hitting that subscribe button as well. It's free and it helps out the channel a ton, and also I'll love you forever if you do it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.